Today, I'm building a Shopify store for a real client, and I'm going to take you through the whole process step by step in just 10 minutes. It's going to be super easy to follow, so if you're a beginner, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete Shopify store that you can launch and start selling from. The first thing you need is a Shopify account, and if you don't have one already, you can get it for $1 a month for the first 3 months if you use my affiliate link, which I've dropped in the description below. After you've signed up, log in to your dashboard. From here, I always upload products first before doing anything else. And here's why. People don't read, they scan. So if you upload your products first, you can check how it looks against different themes and pick the one that makes your product images pop out the most. Uploading your products is super easy. All you have to do is go to products, add products, and fill in all your information here. And here's the really cool part. You don't even have to think of what to write. You can just click on Shopify's AI tool and enter this prompt that I've written for you. Just make sure you fill in the blanks, and Shopify will spit out the best title, description, and even price. It's even got the SEO title and description, which is essentially what shows up on Google when people search for your product. And even better, you can hit preview and it fills out everything for you. Of course, I would check and tweak whatever the AI has written just in case it's not accurate. And from here, the only thing left to do is to drag and drop your images under media. So if you hit save and click preview, you can see what your product will look like on your website. Next, you need to set the inventory quantity so your customers never buy more than what you've got. The setting is under products, inventory, and then you just put down how many products you've got in stock under the column labeled available. That's it, hit save. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward while I repeat the process for all my products. Okay, now is the perfect time to select a theme. You can see all the themes that are available if you click on Sales Channels, Online Store, and then scroll all the way down. From here, you can test how each one looks against your products by clicking Add, and then selecting Preview in the drop-down next to each one. It's so much easier than going in blind, right? And then once you've decided which one you want to use, just hit publish and that should do the trick. Also, here's a hot tip. There are paid themes available, and I know it's super tempting to get them because they have so much more customization options, but I would hold back on that because for one, it's so XY. And I'm telling you, you're gonna change your mind in a few months. It'll be nothing but an expensive mistake. So don't do it, go with a free theme for now. And for this particular project, I'm gonna stick with the default Dawn theme. Okay, so now that you've got your theme, you can customize the layout of your website. If you select Customize, you'll be taken to the theme editor. And from here, you can edit, delete, and rearrange sections from the panel on the left. For example, I can move this banner below the products by dragging and dropping it on the panel. I can also delete it if I wanted to by clicking this little bin icon. And if I want to change the image, I can click on the banner on the panel and all its customization options are going to pop up on the right hand side. I'm going to add my image right here. And you can even edit the individual elements, like the title, for example, by clicking on the items underneath it and editing the options exactly the same way. And if I want to add another section, all I have to do is hover over the spot I want to put this new section in, and then click the blue plus icon. From here, I can see all the sections that the theme comes with. I'm going to select this image with text option, and then I can edit and rearrange it like before. That's all you need to know to customize the layout of your website. So I'm just gonna fast forward here while I do the rest of my homepage. I almost forgot to add the logo, and you can change it by clicking on the header, expanding the theme settings, and uploading your logo image right here. And now if I preview the website, it's looking pretty legit. Okay, but if I was a customer, I'd want to know exactly what type of products are on this website as quickly as possible. And the easiest way to communicate that is by adding collections to your menu. So collections are a way to group your products on Shopify. And the idea is if you click on a collection on your menu, it'll take you to a separate page with all the products belonging to that collection. Here's how you create a new collection. Go back to your dashboard and under Products, Collection, hit Create New Collection. Give your collection a name and add products to it by hitting Browse and then selecting all the ones you want to include. Hit save and you're done. That's your collection. So I'm just gonna repeat the process here for all my collections. Let's just fast forward a sec. But when you're done, you can add all of these collections to a menu by going to the menu settings underneath Content on your dashboard. Select your main menu and add menu item. Under Collections in the drop-down, select the collection that you want to add and then repeat the process for all your collections. Okay, and let's check it out now on the front end, and yay, that looks way more user-friendly already. Okay, I think this is looking pretty good to begin with. So now that your layout is all done, we need to add shipping tiers to your checkout, so that way you don't lose money trying to get your products to your customers. I would recommend having a standard, express, and free shipping tier. So that way your customers are motivated to add more things to their cart to get to that free shipping tier. But even if they don't, they still have 2 options they can choose from. Setting up shipping is easy. All you have to do is go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, and scroll down to see your shipping zones. You can adjust the prices for standard, express, and free shipping for each of these zones, and I can see that there are some default values here already. So if you look at the UK, $50 and up is free, otherwise it's $6. All we have to do now is add a free shipping option. Click Add Rate, leave the rate type as flat and shipping rate as express, and then enter the express shipping price. If you want to edit the other rates, all you have to do is click on the drop down next to the rate you want to edit, click Edit Rate. For example, if I want the free shipping to start at $70, I can change the value right here. In this case, my client isn't selling to any other country, so I'm just going to remove these shipping zones. But if you want to learn how to add more shipping zones, then I have a video for that and I'll link it in the description below. We're almost there, guys, so stick with me because the last thing we need to sort out is payments. Your payment settings live under Settings, Payments. For today, we're gonna focus on Shopify's official payment gateway because they've conveniently bundled all the main payment methods under this one setting. So start by clicking Activate Shopify Payments, and all you need to do is fill out all the information about your business, turn on 2-step authentication, and then fill in your bank account details so you can get paid out. So just start from here and follow the prompts. If you want to know how to set up other payment methods like PayPal, Afterpay, or Alipay, I have another video for that and I'll link it in the description. Okay, everything is there now. So let's make a test order so we know for sure that everything is ready to go. You can do this by going to your Shopify payment settings, scrolling down and toggling on payments. So that way you won't get charged a cent at checkout for this little exercise. And then go back to your store, add something to cart, go to checkout and fill in all your details. And when you get to the payment part, enter one of these fake credit card details provided by Shopify. From here, just follow the prompts and wait for it to load. Yay, it's all working now. Go back to your dashboard, go to Orders, and you can actually print out the shipping label and packing slip from here. But before that, there's 2 more steps you need to do. First, you need to enter your address under Settings, Locations, Shop Location. And then if you go back to your order, you need to enter your package size and weight here. And when both of those are complete, you can buy the shipping label by pressing this button. And when it goes through, you can print it out straight from Shopify. Your shipping label goes outside the box because it tells the person delivering it where it needs to go, and the packing slip goes inside the box and it's like a receipt for your customer. And that's all there is to it, guys. Well done, because you've just created an asset with real potential to earn. But remember, guys, this is only the start of your journey. Now you need to make your Shopify store discoverable so customers can start flooding in. The first step to doing that is adding a custom domain to your store, so that way your customers can recognize your website. You can learn how to do it right here in this video, and once you've connected your domain, you should hop onto this video where I'll get you started on SEO step by step. SEO is a way to get to the top of Google search for free, and you're going to want to know this so you won't have to spend as much money on ads. I'll see you there.